Now, it doesn't stop there. It's not just about moving people, it's about moving goods. If you combine efficiency, connected, coordinated, driverless, and tailored for trucks, you have a chance to have better logistics services at lower operating and societal costs. Look at what Mercedes is saying about their future truck 2025. Autonomous driving will revolutionize road freight transport, reduce the number of truck crashes, create major benefits for everyone involved, change the role of drivers in the future, and make truck driving a more attractive profession. Very, very interesting, exciting set of concepts. So I did some farmer's math on this. I said, okay, you eliminate the driver, you do some platooning, you get some aerodynamics, you increase the utilization of the truck because the truck's use is somewhat constrained by the driver's hours. I came away with the conclusion that you can reduce the cost per mile of a big truck by 40%. Even beyond that, because drivers are constrained to drive about 10, 11 hours a day, you could take this out to 22 hours a day and probably increase the radius of your driving distance each day by a factor of 2, which gives you a factor of 4 increase in the service area that you can cover in a day. Why is that important? Because of e-commerce. Everybody seems to want to have something delivered fast. And so I think the trucking industry has an enormous opportunity here. You know, when Amazon did their 60 Minutes and they talked about 30-minute delivery with drones, it wasn't the drone that fascinated me. It was the fact that Amazon thinks 30 minutes is important. And so this opportunity to really get at this cost associated with logistics is keen. I was driving down to Akron, Ohio last weekend. On the back of a truck that I followed, it says, "We pay 50 cents a mile." And there's a truck driver shortage. So I think this could play out in goods movement before it does in people movement.